One of my favorite food is soup. I have the skin, and you see those skin here. You can do it with the raw skin. It's okay. It's very good too. I put a bit of salt. That goes into a 500-degree oven about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. While that's cooking, here is what I have today. I have a potato, which is a little damaged here. Pieces of carrot. I have that onion. I have a couple of those mushrooms here, which are a bit tired. Some celery, well, I have to throw out some of that. I have some salad here, wilted salad, and it's okay. It's fine in the soup. And pieces of broccoli that I had. In addition to this, we had spinach yesterday for dinner, so I have that left, and some frozen corn. I mean, I don't want to use spoiled food, but I'm cleaning it up. Here I'm going to take that piece damaged, peel the potato. That carrot is a little bit wilted. You can see some, but it doesn't matter for the soup. My broccoli I will cut coarsely. So all of that is going to go into my stock. So this has to come to a boil, and I would say boil it for 20-30 minutes, and it's fine. Well, that's it. I'm going to put the spinach and the corn in there. About 2/3 of a cup of grits. You know, the quick one. We could use the other one. And now that has to cook for 5 minutes. As you can see, my stock is a little dark, and that's because of the mushroom. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. It's thickened, it's good. It takes about 10 minutes to thicken a bit of salt. Okay. Now I have a nice thick soup here. I like to serve that with a bit of cheese, and I have some. I already have grated cheese. A big plate of soup, and of course we have the skin of the chicken. As you can see here, those are really crunchy. They're really delicious. I use them instead of bacon. And of course, if you happen to have them there, you want to put them on top.